Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you what all I pack in my makeup and my skincare kit when I'm traveling. So I just want to give you an idea what all you can pack and still look fabulous on your trip as well. So without wasting further time, let's just quickly get into what all I pack for my makeup first, and then I'm going to show you what all you can pack for your skincare as well, because it's not something that you can completely avoid taking care of skin when you are traveling, because that is the time when your skin needs a lot of hydration and a lot of care as well. So I make sure that I pack something which can just give a little effect to my skin and does not make it like look really dull, so that I have to face a lot of consequences after my trips. So I just take care of that as well. So let me just quickly show you first what all I have in my makeup kit. Yes, so this is like my transparent makeup kit. I prefer to keep my stuff in the transparent kit because it just make it so easy to look at the product and then decide what all I want. So this is my kit, and this kit I bought from Max. So it came in two set of the kit. So one is like this and another one was like really floral printed. So this is the one I have, and these many products I try to keep with myself. And also one thing is like this particular video is like beach edition because it's summertime and I myself feel like going to a beach. So some of the products are like particular when you are traveling to a beach location, but the rest of the stuff I mostly are like common for me whenever I'm traveling. So I'm gonna show you what all I have in this kit. So there's nothing as such in a particular order. I'm just gonna show you what comes in my hand first. So let's just start with this one. So this is the first thing which I try to keep. This is my Makeup Academy Shimmer Crisp highlighting palette. It is a highlighter cum blusher kind of palette, so it solves the two purpose. First, it gives a little sheen to my cheeks, and plus it gives a lot of color also to my cheeks. So I actually I can actually restrict myself from carrying many stuff, one for the blusher and one for the highlighter, and that is the reason I try to pick up the products which are like multitasking. So that is my first one, and also you can use this particular one to use it as your eyeshadow as well. So you can take multiple use of this one. So that is the first one, and don't worry, I'll put all the product details in the description box as well, so you guys can check out what particular products I showed you in this video. Okay, the next one is by Inglot, and this is their compact, and compact is like really handy when you are traveling to a place which is like really humid and you have to do some of the retouch-ups in between. And this is like one of the product I always carry. First of all, it is powdery. It will not make my skin like really oily and greasy, and also it has a lot of coverage also. Let me show you how exactly it looks. Yeah, so it has a lot of coverage as well. So if my foundation or my BB cream is running away, so I can just do up some of the touch-ups and it will give a lot of coverage as well at the same time. Plus it will just take the shine off as well. So that is the second product I carry. Now the third product which I carry is this e.l.f. Warm Bronzer, because since it's like a beach edition kind of video, so bronzer is something you always feel like having a sun-kissed skin, and the bronzer plays really vital role into that one. And these are like the four combination of the color that the e.l.f. Bronzer Kit Warm comes with. And the best point is like this particular huge mirror, so I don't have to carry any travel mirror with myself, and this is something I can use to just create the entire look, also do some of the touch-ups. So I really like e.l.f. products in that way as well, because they come up with like really huge size mirror. Also the Makeup Revolution products also come with a the complete huge size mirrors, and you can always take advantage of that. The next is like this Makeup Academy eyeshadow palette in shade Undressed. I personally like this particular palette most because it comes with many neutral and earthy shades, and these are the shades which are like really perfect when you want to wear it in the daytime, as well as you can create a really nice smoky look in your nighttime when you are going for a dinner date, or maybe you are going for a clubbing or something, and that time you want to dress up a little bit more, and that time you can actually use this palette really nicely. I really like this palette personally, and the best part it has the combination of shimmer and the matte shades. So the matte shades are you can use for the daytime, and the shimmer ones you can use in the night time. So this is also one of the things which I generally pack when I'm traveling, irrespective of it is a it's a beach destination or it is a different kind of destination. Now the next product is this mascara. You can carry any of the mascara. The one which I'm carrying right now is by Makeup Academy, and it is called Extreme Curl Mascara. It is a very good one. Let me show you the wand of it. As you can see, the wand is like really, you know, clear, and it's a big wand and it is little curvy, so it can give a really voluminous effect to your eyelashes. Also it just curls it really nicely. So I'm somebody who skip lot of eyeliner when I'm traveling or when I'm just, you know, roaming around here and there, and mascara is something you can still look lot of, you know, you can still look like dressed up and lot of efforts made on your eyes without even applying the eyeliner. So a mascara is like must have when you are traveling. You can totally skip your eyeliner and just pack the mascara. Yeah, I'm sweating because I've not switched on the fan in my room just because of the voice issue. Yeah. Okay, the next product I have is this BB cream. This is by Maybelline and it is called the Pure BB Cream 8-in-1 Beauty Balm Skin Clearing Perfector. I don't pack foundation at all when I'm traveling. Either it's like you know, even if I'm just going out in the night time also, that time also I just don't wear foundation because I feel that is like too much when you are traveling, and BB cream plays a really good role you know, by replace your foundation, and that is the reason this is my go-to BB cream at present, because it just helps in treating the acne as well, because it has 2% of salicylic acid. So this is like my pick, and I carry it and ditch my foundation when I'm traveling. And the best part is it gives a really good coverage as well, so you can pick any of the BB cream which has a good coverage and you can totally skip your foundation, and the BB cream feels really light on your skin irrespective of the, you know, it just gives a coverage plus make you feel like really light, and you feel like you don't have any product as such on your skin. So that is one of the things which I pack. And hydration is like must when you are going to a humid place, or maybe when you are going out to any vacation, because you tend to spend a lot of time in the sun and outside. You tend to eat any random stuff and you have to hydrate your skin so well, and your lips too. And I don't forget to put my, you know, pack my lip balms whenever I'm traveling, and these are the two my go-to lip balms. These are by Maybelline. So one is like the clear one, as you can see, it is like complete clean lip balm, so you can apply it underneath your lipstick just to make sure your feet, you know, your lips don't feel dry. And the other one I really like, this is again by Maybelline and this is in the pink shade. I don't know if they have a name or something. No, they don't have a name. It's called Pink Punch. Yeah, they do have a name, and that is how it looks, and it just gives a beautiful pink sheen to your lips. So you can totally ditch your lipstick or lip gloss, and you can totally go for these kind of lip balms which are like tinted, and you can enjoy the color on your lips without getting into the mess of applying lipstick, lip glosses, etc, etc. So that is also like my favorite. And I also use primer when I'm traveling, because that just helps in, when I'm applying a BB cream also, and if I have applied a primer underneath, the BB cream effects will be like different if you have not applied your primer underneath. So if the primer is there, the effect of the BB cream can be like really visible, and that is the reason I pack this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I like to pack the travel size products mostly, because that can help me in traveling light, and that is that is the reason I always try to get my hands on the sample products. Or sometimes when I apply for any kind of beauty subscription box, I just don't use the sample products there, because I know these products I'll be needed when I'm traveling. So this is also one of the Smashbox primer, and it is like oil free, non-grease. So that is again one of the best things, and it can help you just not look really greasy when you are in a humid weather. So that is the reason I have kept this one. Also, it's not very creamy as such, and it's not very cakey also at the same time, so it just helped to cover all the dark circle areas without making me looking very, greasy and cakey. So that is one of the thing. And what else I have? Yes, I have some bunch of the products more which I want to show you, and this is something you should definitely try on. And this is like, I always pack bunch of eyeliners with me in different colors, because if you are even not doing any such makeup as such, and you can change your eyeliner on a daily basis, that will make your appearance look really different, and it can totally make your entire makeup look altogether different to the previous day's look. So one day I prefer to wear a brown one, someday I prefer to wear aqua color, someday I prefer to wear little golden or the shimmery ones or the aqua blue colors, like that. So it depending on the occasion or the place where I'm traveling, I can totally change my eyeliner on my waterline, and it can just completely change my entire look without changing any further makeup products on my face. So I generally pack 4-5 eyeliners, depending on for how long duration I'm traveling to some place, and accordingly I just use them. So this is like a really good tip. You don't want to get into a lot of makeup look, but you still want to look different on every single day. You can take advantage of these colorful eyeliner pencils, and you can totally change your look on daily. The next thing is like a must, and this is something for your eyebrows. You can skip your entire makeup and just create your eyebrows really nicely, fill them up properly, shape them up, and this will completely change your appearance. And the one which I carry is by Maybelline. This is their Fashion Brow Drama, and it is in shade, I think, Ashy. Yeah, so that is up to you. Whatever shade suits to you, you can definitely pack that one. And eyebrow pencils you should not skip at all. And you can skip, you can pick any of the eyeshadow, not eyeshadow, you can pick any of the eyebrow pencil, whatever suits you. I'm just giving you the options which I pick and I pack for myself, but whatever you have in your kitty, you can definitely go and pack those one as well. You don't have to just go to the market and buy the products which I'm showing you. It's just for the reference purpose, and in case you really like the product which I'm showing you, definitely you can take an advantage of these kind of reviews and just go ahead and purchase those ones. And most of the product which I'm carrying are not very high end also. These are mostly the drugstore products, and make sure the product you purchase or pack are like waterproof. So, and these are like oil free, because that will just help you to not look greasy and oily when you are just traveling. The next thing is I pick is some of the tints which I can use both on my lips as well as on my cheeks. As I already told you, I prefer to pack the products which are like multitaskers, and these are these tiny little bottles which I pack, and this is by Benefit. These are their Benefit tint, and I like these products. First of all, they smell heavenly. Secondly, they feel feather light on my skin, and third, they give just perfect amount of the color to my cheeks as well as on my lips. So if I am not in a mood of packing blusher on my cheeks or packing lipstick on my lips, I can definitely take advantage of these tiny bottles, and I can apply these ones on my lips and as well as on my cheeks and look really pinky and nice. So these are again like travel size, and they just don't consume any space in my kitty. That is the best part. Okay, but as you know, I'm a lipstick person, so I have to pack some of the lipstick, but I make sure I don't pack anything which is like ultra matte, because they tend to make my lips feel like really dry, and I don't want that uncomfortable feeling when I'm traveling, because first of all I'll not be in a position to completely scrapping it off and then again applying it with the complete precision and all. So I try to pack the products which are like little glossy and which can, you know, just let my lips breathe. So I have picked up some 4 products right now. These are the 2 colors which I picked from the Revlon, and it is their Revlon Color Burst Lip Balm Lip Butters. They are really opaque and they have some really good color collection to that one. The one which is this, and this is the Sweet Tart. It is a beautiful pink shade, so if you are a lover of pink like me, you can definitely go for this one. There's another one which is like orange, so that is how it looks, and it is the shade Tutti Frutti. So mostly I try to pick one color from each color family, and then that way I can, you know, just completely change my entire makeup look using these particular different shades. The third one is by Makeup Academy, and this is their color, it's hard to spell, it's called Renzoe. I don't know, I'll put it in the description box. Okay, so this is like a nudie color and it's very good for the daytime, and if you are pairing it with the smoky eyes, then it can completely change your look. And this one more thing is like my lip creams. I cannot survive without my lip creams, and that is the reason I'm picking this Cream Puff by Collection. And this is not something you get it in India, it's a UK brand, but I really like this one, and I have a bunch of these ones, and this is in shade Cotton Candy. And the best part, these are like very similar to your Miss Claire lip creams or your NYX lip cream. So if you cannot get your hands on these ones, you can definitely try the NYX one and the Miss Claire ones. And the best part about these is like they are mousse in texture and they give the matte finish, plus they are not drying at all on your lips. So if you are like, you really want to wear some of the matte lipsticks, you can definitely go and you know, pack these kind of, you know, lip creams which are really mousse in formula, and they don't dry up your lips. Okay, we are left with only few of the stuff. Oh, by the way, I have couple of more BB creams which I have picked for myself, and these, you know, I don't use as such these products on a daily basis. I save it for my traveling purpose, and now I'll be, you know, packing these stuff in my makeup kitty. And the best part is, it's like they have SPF 30. So if you are going out in the sun, you can take advantage of these kind of BB creams which have SPF into it. And the products I have are from Etude House. So these are like 2 of the products which I pack. And I always pack my beauty blenders because they just help to blend out my makeup completely. And also I'm not packing any of the brush because I have my beauty blenders and I can do my complete makeup using only the beauty blenders. And you are wondering how can I apply my eyeshadow or how can I apply my blusher and etc without using a makeup brush, then you have to check out my tutorial on how to use your beauty blender to complete your entire face makeup look. You have to watch it, and afterwards you don't have to, you know, you won't even feel like carrying any makeup brush along with you if you have just the beauty blenders. So these are like 2 of the products I just carry and I'm sorted for my entire makeup look. Okay, so that completes my makeup products as such. But also I don't forget to pack my this thing, lip liner or the eyeliner sharpener, because that is something you definitely need when you are traveling. And also I always carry these 2 grooming products with me when I'm traveling for about more than a week time, because that is something, if I'm having some hair on my upper lips or anything extra on my eyebrows, then I can just twist it out and look good without going to a salon. So these are my 2 things which I always pack whenever I'm traveling, irrespective of the destination. So these are the things. And now we are done with the makeup and it's time to move on to our skincare and hair care products. It's a big bag. It is like this. Actually my products are not fitting into this one, so I may change my kit, you know. This is by accessories. I really like this one. Sometimes I pack my makeup in the transparent ones and sometimes I pack in this particular one. So let's just quickly start with that one. The first thing is you cannot skip washing your face, and I'm using this Garnier White Complexion Speed White Fairness Face Wash. For it has a lemon essence to it, so if I'm traveling to a place where I may get tan and which is like really humid and need some freshness to my face, this particular one will be like a good pick, I believe. I've recently picked up this one from my grocery store and I'm yet to use it, but smell wise it smells heavenly, and I'll give you my reviews on this one on my Instagram once I use it. Okay, so that is like one of the thing. And toning is really essential when you are applying makeup or when you are just going out in harsh sun, pollution or anything which is not very suitable to your skin. You have to tone your skin so well, and I'm using this one by Skinfood. It is called their Royal Honey Toner. This is again a sample size and it does not consume any space in my kit. Also, I always moisturize my skin, and this is again by Skinfood and it is again in a honey one. Honey is something that can help in removing the tan as well as hydrate your skin very well. So I have picked up these two ones from my Skinfood skincare collection. And now let's move on to the next one, is these wipes. Wet wipes are really essential. First of all, you can just wipe off your makeup anywhere using these ones. Secondly, you want to get rid of the dirt or anything as such. The wipes are they are like really handy. So don't forget to pack your wet wipes when you are traveling. The third thing is my Wonder Spray, and this is by Vichy and it is their thermal spray. It is so amazing. You have to invest in one of the thermal spray to make your make your skin feel really better. And this is something when I'm feeling like dehydrated or very stressful, this is something I can just spray on all over on my face and feel really good. Also, you can pack some of the facial mist also, and if you're not having anything as such, you can always pack your rose water. Just dilute it with your water, put it into the spray bottle, and whenever you feel like you are like really stressed out, you are dehydrated and you need some freshness to your face, you can take advantage of these kind of facial mist and you will be like fresh all over again. And one thing which we cannot forget when we are traveling to a beach location, and that is like your sunscreen. I'm using this Nivea Sun Moisturizing Sun Spray. I don't personally like creams because creams are like really thick in consistency and you cannot just trust on one single layer. You have to apply multiple layers, and when you apply multiple layers, it just make your skin look really white and really sticky. I don't like that feeling, and that is the reason I always go for the sprays as such. This is like 30 plus high, so it will be like fine. You can always go for 50 plus as well, but this is what I'm having right now with me, and I really like this one. You can add up on the layers and the layers and the layers, and it will not make you feel like white or anything sticky as such. So this is like my go-to sunscreen lotion. Also, you can apply this on your face as well, so it's not something you have to apply it only on your body. Okay, and the next thing which I have for my skin is these kind of mask, and they just come in a sachet kind of thing, so you don't have to be worried about the the weight issue as anything as such. And this is the oxygen rich bubble mask, and it is there in creamy nourishing strawberry yogurt. So it has a strawberry and yogurt essence to it. But you can pack any of the face mask which is like very suitable for your skin, for your skin. So this is something I'm packing this time, and it's by Beauty Formula. Also, they are not very expensive also. I think time to time you should invest in such kind of face mask or the peeling mask, etc, because if you are not even using it on a daily basis, you can always carry these things when you are traveling, because that is the time your skin needs lot of care. That's what I feel. Okay, now the one more thing which is left is like, you know, for my moisturizing my skin when, you know, when I've just removed my makeup, I'm not wearing anything as such makeup wise, and still I want to moisturize my skin, and this is by Cetaphil. I really like this one. This is again in a travel size, and this is like daily advanced ultra hydrating lotion. Plus I have a very sensitive skin, so I always go for Cetaphil products. So that is one of the thing. And also don't forget to remove your makeup. Never ever sleep with your makeup. First I packed this Bioderma one. This is like a makeup remover. As you can see, I have almost finished it off. It's only this much, so I'm packing this one. I may just transfer this one to any of the small bottle and pack out this one, because I'm sure this will be finished by the time I come back. And now it's time to some of the hair products. I'm not packing too much, but I'm packing my shampoo and my conditioner, because I don't trust on the products which hotel provide, because they are like some generic stuff and they may not suit to my kind of hair texture. So the one which I'm packing this time is by BBlunt. So this is their shampoo, and it is called Born Again shampoo for the stressed hair. So this is something I need when I'm traveling. And this is the same you know, Born Again conditioner for stressed hair. This is the conditioner. I really like these two ones. And the last product is for the styling my hair, and this is by Moroccan Sea Salt Spray. This is something you can totally skip if you don't want to, but if you want to style your hair even when you are on a vacation, you can take advantage of this, and this is perfect for your beach vacation. It is a salt spray. You want to give a little wavy kind of look, see, you know, beach waves kind of look to your hair. You have to, you know, put some spray here, and whatever you spray, you just start scrunching your hair like this. Okay, just leave it like that for some time, and you'll see a really nice beach waves to your hair. And you know, it's something, it just takes only the 5 minutes of yours and you'll be beach ready. So I really like this one. I sometimes use it, I sometimes don't use it. It totally depends on my schedule, whatever time I'm left with, and accordingly I just use this product. So guys, this was like the complete travel edition kind of, you know, what I pack for my makeup and for my skincare as well as for my hair care. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to put it in the comment section which particular things you pack when you are traveling, and also you can suggest some of the things which you think that I should pack when I'm traveling to a beach destination. Okay, and if you like these products, then let me know if you want me to review any, you know, any product as such. Out of these ones, a bunch of products which I showed you today, I would love to do it. Some of the products are like already being reviewed on my channel, and you can just, you know, look around and watch some of the previous videos and you'll get to know what products I'm talking about. So guys, give it a big thumbs up if you really enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. On that note, I take a leave now, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.